Welcome to Miles of Learning. I'm Maddie.
And I'm Chris.
This is Barrett and Kenzie. They were both born in South Korea, and we've been living here for over a decade.
We are international teachers, and this is our 12th year teaching in Korea.
Now we call beautiful Jeju Island our home.
And ever since moving to Korea, we've been traveling the world every chance we get.
Learning, exploring, and growing as a family.
We've just started vlogging our journey, and we are totally new to this.
So thanks for joining us as we figure out everything.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come along for the adventure.
We're on our way to Washington, D.C. We are taking the train from New York. We decided to do this just because it's a little bit more convenient, no waiting in line or going through immigration. We booked our tickets through Amtrak, and the journey will be around 3.5 hours. We're here, and we are on our way to the taxi lot and then to our hotel. But first stop and look at this beautiful station. You have to open it. And this we call home for the next 3 nights. Okay, before it gets too crazy, this is our room. It's a king bed with sofa, sleeper couch. So the kids will be sleeping here, which is great because they're still pretty short, so they will be able to sleep vertically. And then we have our king bed over here. A good closet. I think you can actually fit your bags up on top of that closet there. And then we have our TV that will also be able to swivel, I guess. So, yeah. We're getting ready for our swim. We just got here. Swimming pool! Today is a really big day. We are heading to the zoo. Barrett is excited to see the giant pandas, and Kenzie can't wait to see kokari, which is Korean for elephants. Welcome to the Wharf. This was once an industrial waterfront and fish market. Construction started 2017 and finished around 2022, and now it's a vibrant place where a lot of people can go and explore Washington, D.C. Let's go see the panda, come. Ready to see the giant panda better, huh? They're gonna be inside, come. How's it coming? What's he looking for? We're taking a break, hiding from the sun, eating the snow cone in the shade.
Mommy, I want yarn. This is blue. I see your tongue. I see your tongue. What color is it? Blue. What color is mine? You want to see mine? You want to see mine? You see mine?
So from the wharf, we can take the subway, and the stop that we should get off is called El Infant Plaza, I think, and it takes you basically to all the museums and memorials. Everything is walking distance, and when you want to take a break, there are so many trees and grass plains where you can just sit and relax and enjoy the sunshine.
Wow! Look at that! Mama! Look! I want to be behind you.
So one of my friends suggested we do a Brazilian steakhouse. Amazing. You have a red and a
Token?
green token. They say the medallion, I think that's what they
Okay.
call it. It's green, it's like a traffic light, and they just bring all different kinds of meat. It's red if you want to take a rest or you're done, you just flip it. Maddie flipped it for like 3 seconds to red, and then she went back to green. Woo, really good.
Oh, almost forgot.
And the best of all, the kids are enjoying this too. They love
The
it.
kids are for free. That's what I wanted to
The
say.
kids are for free.
You don't
so
pay
it's
for
amazing.
them.
And my son and daughter is going for it. Medium rare is good. Yeah, let me.
Ooh.
Oh, that's good. It's a little bit different. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. One this time, please. Thank you very much.
Yes,
My
please.
word,
That's
yes,
perfect.
please.
Where's my... Oh, yeah.
Maybe one more?
Little piece, please. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, please.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, my little kitty cat. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep,
We are waiting for the train to arrive. Then we are on our way to the White House. So most of the museums in Washington, D.C. are free. We are planning on visiting as many as possible. With the heat, it's really hard to get from place to place. I know we can arrange an Uber, but we need car seats, and there's also a car seat option, but it doesn't give you that option here in the district. So just something to think about when you plan on visiting Washington, D.C. We arrived at the Museum of Natural History. Washington, D.C. We are getting ready. Barrett, Kenzie, where are we going?
I'm going on an airplane with Cake.
And where are we going, Sisa? To Mexico. Okay, don't. Show me.
America dance, where are you? Korea dance. Korea dance.
Okay, what's your Korean dance?
Korea dance. Can you dance Korean dance? Korea dance. Mama, are we gonna fly to South Korea?
Not yet.
Why?
We're in the taxi on our way to the airport.
Excavator
Please subscribe
there.
and follow.
Excavator.
Next time you see us, we'll be in Cancun.
Excavator.
Before we go, I just wanted to show you something. These are called mobile lounges. They take you from one gate to the other. See you in Cancun.